Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, you guys know it, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day, and one of the projects I talk about from time to time is Wakanda Inu project. A lot of people that follow me on this channel know that I can spend time talking on Wakanda Inu project. There was a particular time I was making videos literally on Wakanda Inu every day. So 2022 is here. Today is the third day in 2022. I'm yet to talk about Wakanda Inu, and the reason is because I don't really know what's happening in the space. I've not made videos for a while, but I'll be trying to look for something to talk about Wakanda Inu. Right now I don't have anything particularly, but I'm sure when I visit the official Twitter account, I can go to PoolCoin, check coin market cap, I'll have a talking point for Wakanda Inu. So without further ado, without wasting much time, let's go straight to the official Twitter account of Wakanda Inu. Okay, let's go straight to the I'm already in the website. From the website of Wakanda Inu, there is no new update here. Everything looks like the way it was. I'm going to check the Wakanda Inu NFT marketplace. So from the NFT marketplace, basically much is not happening here. Much has not been done yet. It's just the way it is. Yeah, we are still in the phase of imagination. Imagine a place where digital art meets physical art, and they're just trying to tell us that the NFT market will be coming up the first quarter of this year. But this is like an example, like a sample of what we should be expecting. This is not the real deal. So if you want to join the watch list, you can click here to join the watch list. People that are eligible to join. When can I join the Wakanda Inu NFT? Any information you need to come and check here. So far there is nothing much happening with Wakanda Inu from the official website. I'm going to leave the official website. Okay, one more place I will check before I leave the official website is the Wakanda Inu vote. This is where the community actually brings suggestion and decide to vote on topics. They bring proposal. Somebody said this was by somebody. There was a proposal that can our project recruit more volunteers to join the promotion. This has been closed. Test Wakanda Inu price opinion. This is a test proposal of Wakanda Inu price opinion. Well, let's keep moving. There's nothing much happening. I'm just trying to find a talking point. So as I've not seen much here, I'm going to go to the official Twitter account of Wakanda Inu. 25,300 followers, not bad, making progress. Wakanda Inu New Year message, happy new year, welcome to a new year with a new height, welcome to 2022 Wakanda Inu forever. Okay, honestly I feel the new year, the beginning of the new year would have been a very good way of Wakanda Inu to start the year with a lot of positivity, energy, and giving the community strong hope, because a lot of people, their spirit is dying and on the project, and this is actually affecting the project. So I felt just sending a new year message is good, but it's not enough. Like there's something that Chimps Inu did. I'm not trying to compare Wakanda Inu to Chimps Inu, but we need to learn from ourselves right now. If you look at Chimps Inu, there was something Chimps Inu did this new year. I'm going to show you guys something. Mind you, Chimps Inu has more orders than Wakanda Inu has more orders than Chimps Inu. But Chimps Inu did something this new year. The first thing they did was on the 2nd of January, that was yesterday, say our Chimps order official letter to people, happy 2022, years to financial freedom. They talked about their progress, what they've been through, what they've achieved, and they plan for the future. Was a very smart move. And look at the engagement. I'm sure the community would be so happy and be pumped for the new year and stuff like that. Although currently they have some glitch in trustwallet, but that message was a message of hope, a message of oneness, a message of fresh energy and stuff like that. But Wakanda Inu has failed to do that. Maybe they are planning to, but I feel the beginning of this year, this new year, they could have just used the opportunity, since it's a new year, a new chapter, to beyond just wishing people happy new year, to actually encourage the community, encourage the others. Look at the tweets and look at the engagement. You can see that the engagement here is low because people don't really care about you telling them happy new year. What they care about is the fact that nothing is really happening, and the thing is, Wakanda Inu is so concerned about the NFT. and I'm still trying to figure out in my head, when they launch the NFT marketplace, will this NFT marketplace have a positive impact on the price? I don't know. I'm just asking. If you guys think it's going to have a positive impact on the price, kindly leave a comment and explain how, because for now I don't know. Now look at this. After they posted the Happy New Year message, look at the reply they were getting. Please guys, with this dip in Wakanda Inu, can I buy the dip and hold? Of course you can buy the dip. This is the best time to actually buy. So dip is the best time to buy. Somebody said probably most people promoting Wakanda Inu here doesn't have it. Those of us that bought huge have been holding since November, and we understand that this dip is too much. Very true, the dip is actually very too much. Somebody said I waited 6 months for Dogecoin to go up, and look at it now. I never sell at a loss. I just bought Wakanda Inu today and I'll buy more this week. I'll hold for 5 months minimum. Yeah, this person that is just buying Wakanda Inu now is going to make money definitely, because if we want to do some, I'm going to do some analysis. I'm definitely going to do some technical analysis because of this particular tweet, because it's buying Wakanda Inu at the safest place ever, right? Now somebody said this dip is becoming deeper. I bought Wakanda Inu with 100,000 naira in November. It's 7 a day after it was released. In November 7th, a day after it was released, but my wallet now is just 15,000 naira. So I'm beginning to ask, when will the bull be? Man, somebody said I bought it for 18k. Somebody said I'll buy it for 18k. This person is crazy. Somebody bought something of 100,000 naira and you're telling him that you're going to buy it for 18k. Somebody said go and swap your Wakanda or you lose your money. Somebody said Wakanda Inu to the moon. Which basically, guys, somebody said which moon are we talking about here? The last time I checked, Wakanda Inu is on the ground. The dip is just fucking too much. I'm going straight to Coin.app and I'm going to do some analysis. This year we did a lot of technical analysis. I'll be doing a lot of technical analysis. Let's look at Wakanda Inu outside the place of the holders, the place of the community, the place of the hype, the place of the market cap. Let's look at the chart. The chart speaks. The chart itself speaks. So let the chart speak to us. Let's analyze the chart and let's be honest about Wakanda Inu, the hope of Wakanda Inu today. Okay guys, this is it. Wakanda Inu, Coin.app. Now this is the chart. So currently the market cap is now $14.8 million. This token was bought and market cap is now $14.8 million, which means the market cap has reduced. From here you can see that a lot of people are selling. People are selling their Wakanda Inu. Just a few, but people are selling. Many people are selling Wakanda Inu, right? Okay. The last few hours, people are selling. Every red you see here is for the sign of people that are selling Wakanda Inu. Green is the sign of people that are buying Wakanda Inu, right? Some people would have sold Wakanda Inu out of frustration. They bought when it was up and they are selling now that it is low because they are scared. There's already fear and there's uncertainty, you know, and stuff like that. So now let's do some analysis. If you look at this chart, it's quite unfortunate that I will not be able to use tools. The tools indicator are not showing here, so that I can draw some tools and show you guys some stuff. Who owns this dog that is backing? Now look at this. Now this was when Wakanda Inu was launched. It was released, and that was on the 7th of November. That was when Wakanda Inu was released. Now anybody that bought Wakanda Inu on the 7th of November, on the 8th of November the person was already in a profit, right? On the 9th of November slightly came down. 10th of November, you know, the thing was still bullish. It means more money was coming in and there was crazy volume. People were investing money in Wakanda Inu. On the 10th of November, Wakanda Inu skyrocketed. There was crazy volume and the token reached its all-time high. Massive. This was a huge pump. Like, this was when people invested money. Now do you know what happened? Now the 10th of November, people that had bought on this 9, 7, 8, 9 and 7, 8, 9, 10, around this period, people that bought this period, when a lot of people jumped into Wakanda Inu, I'm sure if I was among the people that bought, you know, they would have made crazy money. Like, this particular move would have made them lot of money, depending on the amount they invested. This was a massive move upward. Look at the candlestick, forming a very strong bullish candlestick, a very strong body, because the price started, it peaked to this particular position, and at the end of the day this was where it closed, right? So a lot of people would have sold out around this place, would have sold out here. And you know what happened next? What happened was that, I'm sure because of this strong bullish candle, this very very strong candle, a lot of people now jumped into Wakanda Inu. So many people started buying Wakanda Inu with the mindset that Wakanda Inu will continue to go up, because the last 2 days it has been very very solid, moving upward. Then they were expecting, okay, to go up, but immediately they started buying, Wakanda Inu started dumping. In other words, majority of the people that put money in this Wakanda Inu, that attracted a lot of investors, put a lot of money, they invested so much in the token, and now as the token had gone up, they've made massive money. They started removing money, they had removed money from it. So the early investors, the creators of the project, the early birds were the ones that really made money from Wakanda. After then, every other person started jumping because of this strong bullish candle. There will definitely be hype. It started trending on Twitter, a lot of buzz, a lot of hype, and people started FOMOing in. FOMO simply means the fear of missing out. So people started jumping in, and while they were jumping in, Wakanda Inu started, the token was dumping. It was dumping. So every day to get up, or at the end of the day to end the day in a bearish candle, to form a long week upward, end the day in a bearish candle, and the token was dumping and dumping. Some people that bought around this place, this tip, and it's dumped on them, right? So imagine a person that bought Wakanda Inu around this place, or bought around this position, and Wakanda Inu did not only, as it was coming down, it has always been down. Like it is a strong bearish coin, right? It was coming down for the next 4 days. Wakanda Inu dump, and this one was a massive dump, and there was a support in this position. This is supposed to be a position of support, right? Now, from cryptocurrency analysis, we know that the place of support in the future can become a resistance zone. I'm going to explain that with this Wakanda Inu. So after the token dumped, there was a support around there in this particular position. That is why most of the token was hitting this position. Either the body was ending there, or the wick was forming around there, but it was a position of support. And the next thing, few days later, moves 2 slight candles upward that were not convincing, and boom, a reversal candle showed, and the price kept coming down. Now look at where my line is. It broke the support zone, formed a strong bearish candle underneath the support zone, and it kept on going down. Then I think there was a glitch. This could, if that this was a glitch or something happened, and boom, the token went up. Now the problem I have with Wakanda Inu is that after it came down, this particular position that used to be a support zone became a resistance zone. So when it comes to this place, look at it, this particular place now becomes a resistance zone. For anybody that's holding Wakanda Inu, you need to take note of this particular position. 20130 is a very very critical position for Wakanda Inu. This is a very very critical support or resistance zone, as the case may be. Right now it's going to be a resistance zone. So even if Wakanda Inu is coming up, I said there's a crazy volume, most likely if it gets to this particular position, it might not break it, it might begin to retest around there. Now this is my point is, after Wakanda Inu moved up, I'm sure a lot of people quickly sold out around this position. Then range for a few days, range around there, it started coming down. Now the problem is, after then, look at the candlestick that I'm forming. These are daily candles. Look at them every full day. Look at how small the candlestick is. What this simply means is that there is no volume. People are not trading with Wakanda Inu again. Activities with Wakanda Inu, the buying and the selling, is no longer, people are no longer active trading with Wakanda Inu. Before now, around all this period to this point, there was a decent amount of volume in Wakanda Inu. Look at the volume, look at where the volume side, look at it. Let me show you guys something. From this place you can see that, let me try to zoom in. See, you can see that massive volume. This particular volume here is the one that reflects in this massive pump. These two strong bearish volume, this one, and after they look at everything, is like it's wiping the floor. So right now there's no volume in Wakanda Inu, and there is nothing happening to give this project volume. If this project doesn't have trading volume and there's nothing happening, and the people behind the scene are not doing aggressive marketing campaign, they have not released a new roadmap, they are not launching stuff that can give Wakanda Inu utility. Honestly guys, if you're expecting your money to go up, I wonder how it is going to happen. As far as I'm concerned, so far Wakanda Inu needs serious, massive help. I don't know whether the people behind the scene understand what I'm talking about, but with what I can see from the chart, this is not a good sign at all. So the truth is, even if Wakanda Inu is going to go up, what is the assurance that Wakanda Inu would go as high as this particular all-time high? Because this is where the all-time is. Now look at the distance between the all-time high, this is where the all-time is. It has never even gotten any opportunity to come and retest the all-time. It has never even gotten to the point to even come to the middle of the all-time. This is where the all-time high is. From that all-time high and the current position here, before Wakanda Inu is going to go and hit this all-time high again, something must happen. There must be something crazy that must happen that will have to affect this price, and there will be a crazy volume. I don't just know what's going to happen, but guys, if you are just sitting down hoping Wakanda Inu is going to go up, it's not going to work like that. Something needs to be done, and for anything to happen, it will have to start from the developers of the project, the people behind the scene. Either they launch something, they do aggressive campaign, they do marketing, they do, I don't know, they burn total supply. I don't know what they want to do, but burning a token, if you are burning a token and people are not requesting for the project, like you are reducing supply and there is no demand, then you are just wasting your time. Because it's when you reduce supply, there's increase in demand that will affect the price. The price can become more, that will affect the price positively. But when there is no increase in demand and you are reducing supply, it doesn't have any major effect. So far I feel for Wakanda Inu to do better, I feel the second roadmap must be released as soon as possible. Massive money should be pumped into aggressive marketing campaign. It should begin to launch projects, and that is what can help this particular cryptocurrency. And you should look for a way to partner with influencers that can actually influence for Wakanda Inu. Apart from that, if you are waiting and you say Wakanda Inu will be the next Shiba, the next Doge, the next this, it doesn't work like that. You don't have any Elon Musk that is going to tweet about your project. You don't have any influencers that are actually writing about or saying about, I mean, the big guys in the crypto space that can move people that have massive money to pump money into this project. You don't have them talking about Wakanda. I don't know why, but then these are the factors you need to put into consideration. And funny, the painful part of this thing is that this token doesn't have volume. There is no volume in this project. Look at it, a full day. Look at how the candlestick, I'm actually zooming just for it to even look like something. There is no volume in Wakanda Inu project. That being said, this is where I'm going to stop my analysis. This is more like a technical analysis. And what do you guys think about Wakanda Inu recovering? Are you guys still hopeful? Are you guys giving up? What do you guys think about Wakanda Inu recovering? Do you think Wakanda Inu can survive this? Somebody said he had Dogecoin for a very long period of time. Wakanda Inu is not Dogecoin. Dogecoin, the idea behind Dogecoin, the team behind Dogecoin, everything about Dogecoin is totally different. Wakanda Inu is you need to understand that Wakanda Inu is more like an African project. The world has not accepted this token. If the world has accepted this token, we will not be having this issue, because what's the essence of having over 100 and something thousand orders and it's not reflecting your market cap, it's not reflecting your trading volume? Like Chimps Inu doesn't have this kind of orders, but if you look at the Chimps chart, it might be down now, but you will know that at least there is hope. Not Wakanda Inu that is wiping the floor. Wakanda Inu is literally wiping the floor right now. We just need to say the way it is. Look at Chimps Inu. Chimps Inu market cap is $24 million, and the number of orders is just 30,000 orders. Wakanda Inu has 100,000 orders, but look at our market cap. Look at Chimps Inu. At least we can say that for now Chimps Inu is actually coming down. There's a support zone around this particular place, this particular position, which is a very good buying area in case you want to buy Chimps Inu. And this particular place again is a support zone, because a long week fell to this part. But me, I would rather be expecting the price to come to around somewhere this position before I buy this token. But you can see that when Chims Inu came and it went up, it skyrocketed to this particular position, came down a little, he has broken this high before, created a new all-time high, moved forward. Then after that, normally this was a very good sign of reversal. Kind of people started selling, a lot of people have sold, which is normal. I'm very sure that it's just a matter of time. When it gets to around this position, people will buy again, push the price forward, then probably when it goes up again, breaks this all-time high, some people will still sell because it's just normal. But look at the trading volume, look at the volume, look at the volume, look at how green the volume is. Compare that to the Wakanda Inu volume I showed you, that is not really showing anything, guys. In general, at least you can see that with Chims Inu, you can say this particular token is on a bullish trend. Look at it. If you move your chart like this, it's going up, it's going up. Although there was a massive breakout in this place and there was a massive pump rush of volume and it's skyrocketed around this in like 4-5 days, but the summary of Chims Inu in the long time frame is that Chims Inu is on a bullish trend. But if you see Wakanda Inu is on a bearish trend. If you want to confirm this, oh, I wish that the monthly chart is here. I've just opened the monthly candle. If you see the monthly candle, then you will see Chims Inu will be showing green. And if we go to Wakanda Inu and check the monthly candle, you see that Wakanda Inu is showing red. But that's where I'm going to end this video, guys. I don't know, to be honest with you, this is the beginning of a new year, but for Wakanda Inu, I don't really know what's going to happen. I'm just here just giving you guys honest analysis.